guys, mag-practice sa daytag
English book, reading English book in the practice reading English book. Because she didn't know how to read the English well. Learn
the food pyramid. Are you aware of the right amount of food that you should eat every now and then? How often do you eat nutritious foods? Every living thing in this world needs to eat the right amount of nutritious food to prolong it.
Sige. Sige. Existence.
Plants. Animals and most especially human beings depend on food as the basic need to sustain life. Without food and take the organism